Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, wherever you are, welcome back to my video with me Mr. Zulfikri Malik. In this video, I would like to explain how to analyze data by using SPSS Statistic Data Editor software. So let's check it out. Well, the first things that you have to do is preparing your SPSS software, and don't forget to provide your data that you want to analyze. So I have data here is about creativity score from English department and non-English department. I have 46 samples in English department and also 46 samples from non-English department, so the total is 92 samples. So we need to copy our data into SPSS first. After we copy our data, go to the variable view and we need to modify several things here. For the first name, let's say the name is X and the second one is Y. And then to make you easier in analyzing your data, you need to make it 0 in the decimals. And for the label, for the first label is the score of creativity from English department, and the second one is the score of creativity from non-English department. Alright, the next thing is you need to change into scale in the measure. Alright, I think that's all for the variable view. Let's move on to the data view. Alright, in this time we can directly analyze our data. The first thing that we have to do is we need to make sure whether our data is distributed normally or not by using normality test. How to analyze our data by using normality test? So go to the analyze menu here and click descriptive statistics and click explore, and you can see that the dialog box of explore. And then we need to input our variables into dependent list like this, and then before you click OK, you need to make sure the statistics first. If you want to provide percentiles and median in your analysis data result, you need to click this one, and then don't forget to click normality plot with test in the plots. And if you want to show your histogram, you need to click the histogram and click continue. Alright, that's all, and click OK. Wait a minute. Alright, this is the result of normality test. So this is, we have case processing summary, descriptives, percentiles, and this is the important one, the test of normality result. So this is the result from Kolmogorov-Smirnov. We can see that the significance value from English department is 0.0990, and while the non-English department, the significance value is 0.004. Based on this case, we can know that the data in English department is normally distributed, while the non-English department is not normally distributed. Why? Because in English department, the significance value we got is higher than 0.05, while in non-English department, it is under the 0.05. So based on this case, we can conclude that our data is not normally distributed because one of variable is not normal. So we should analyze our data by using Whitney menu task for further analysis. Okay, the next thing is how to analyze our data by using Whitney menu test. Well, the first thing is go to the variable view again. In variable view, we need to modify several things here. In the first label, we need to change it with the score of creativity, and the second label we change it with department, and then in the second values we need to change it and modify it. Let's say the value 1 and 1 refers to this English, the score of creativity from English department, and click add, and the 2 refers to the score of creativity from non-English department. Right, click add and click OK. Alright, I think that's all for the variable view, and go back to the data view. Because the variable x refers to the score of creativity, so the score of creativity from English department in variable y before, we need to move it into the variable x under the score of creativity from English department. In variable y, we need to input the label that we have modified before. So remember that 1 refers to the score of creativity from English department, and 2 refers to the score of creativity from what is that, non-English department. So we need to put 1 until the 46, and starting from 47 we need to put 2 refers to the scores of creativity from non-English department. Okay, after we modified several things here, then we can directly analyze our data by using Whitney U test. How to analyze it? Go to the Analyze menu and click Non-Parametric Test and click Legacy Dialog and choose the independent samples. Well, there is dialog box here, and we need to input the score of creativity as the variable x in test variable list and department into the grouping variable. In grouping variable, we need to define our groups first. Remember that 1 represent to English department and to represent to non-English department. And click option first, and don't forget to click descriptive. And if you want to show quartiles, you may also click that. And then the test type, of course, man white new, we click that because we want to analyze our data by using this analysis. Well, this is the result of Whitney man white new test. Okay, this is the result. Go directly to the test statistics. In the SPSS significance to tell value, we got 0.456. It means it is higher than 0.05. Based on this case, we can know that there is no significant difference in the score of creativity from English department and also from the non-English department. What we got more from this result, we can see that we got Z score here 0.746, and we can also know the total of N here 92, and the mean, percentile, and median here. And what is more, we need to know the R value here, the effect size. So how to calculate the R value? We need to divide Z value with the square root of N here. So we need to calculate 0.746 with the square root of 92. So I have calculated for you. So the result of R here is 0.0777 and so on. So based on this R value, we can consider it is a very small effect size. So based on this case, we can see that there is a small effect, very small effect. So go back to the significance to tell it. We can know that the result is there is no significant difference. So if there is hypothesis here, so the hypothesis will be rejected. So I think that's all for the data analysis by using SPSS software. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.